Thermex Metal Treating offers the most comprehensive range of heat treating services in Western Canada. With treatments practically applied to a variety of steels, stainless steels, tool steels, cast irons, and other metals. With a fully equipped facility, including our new large capacity pit furnace line, the longest vertical quench capacity available in the West, we can accommodate most of your heat treating needs. Our commitment to quality is continuous. We operate under a certified and independently audited ISO 9001 quality management system and continue to invest in the latest control technologies. Thermex has installed state-of-the-art data logging on all equipment. We are investing in the latest automatic temperature and atmosphere control systems. Our computer-controlled induction hardening system uses the latest in 300 kilowatt 310 kilohertz power supply. We are the only heat treating company in Western Canada to operate an in-house metallurgical lab. Through micro-hardness testing and microstructural analysis, Thermex metallurgical engineers ensure that our processes are under control and that our customers are receiving the end product that they expect and have specified. Long quills, shafts, or parts up to 90 inches long, we can handle it. Large diameter gears up to 44 inches, we can handle that too. Parts weighing less than 1 pound, we'll gladly take those as well. Lab verification required quickly without delaying delivery, we'll get it done in-house and fast. Our business is heat treating, but we specialize in providing our customers with the best service and solutions that fit with their manufacturing and production cycle. Call us, visit our website, or come by to discuss your heat treating requirements. Thermex, solutions through metallurgy.